Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have been working on car coasters and I thought I would share that with you. They've been coming out really cute. I've been working on them for about the last week or so, trying a couple different decoupage techniques using different things, napkins and stickers and rub-on transfers from the Crafter Square at Dollar Tree. So the car coasters basically look like this. They are 2.5 inches around. They have this little divot in here to pick them up out of your cup holder in your car. I'm sure that you've seen these sold in stores. I ordered these from a company called Craft Chameleon, and you get 5 in a package for $3.25. And before I go any further, I want to give a shout out to the customer service that Craft Chameleon provides. I contacted them a couple different times just asking them questions, and they immediately responded. And very nice, very polite, very helpful. So my hat's off to their customer service department. It was definitely a pleasure to work with them. So let's get started. Today I'm going to be showing you how I use the rub-on transfer from the Crafter Square from the Dollar Tree. So just get this open. I've been using these. I have a couple of them already cut out, but I wanted to give it a try, and they've just been turning out so cute. Here, I'll just show you mine. This was my original one that I made. Isn't that adorable? And this is mine. I've been testing it. I put a hot cup of coffee on it. I put a cold drink on it. I want to make sure that it's going to hold up. But this is mine. I think it's so very cute. So let's get started with another one. Okay. So I have this sheet that we're going to be working with, and I'm going to choose the little foxes down here at the bottom. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to cut them out. I really like the rub-on transfers that the Dollar Tree is having now. I've picked up several sheets of different ones, and I'm looking forward to doing different projects and putting them on different things. Okay, so I've got my little coaster, and I'm going to put this, oops, I'll get rid of that. I like to lay my pattern out first before I actually rub it on, just to make sure that I like how it looks and that everything fits really well. Let me see, let me get a little flower in here too and give it a little bit of color. I cut these down as much as I can. Okay, I think that will, we can move it around different ways. Wonder if there's another one. Maybe that might look a little bit better. Let's see. Just gonna try one other one and see. It's just a little bit different, a little bit smaller. I hope you're finding these at your Dollar Trees. They are really cute. Just try this one. Okay. Well, I think I'll go with my original. All right, so we're going to peel this off of the white paper and lay it on the coaster. And I'll do the same with my picture here. And I've just been using an emery board just to smooth this out. I have just rubbed these with my finger and they've come off also, but any type of a straight edge you can use to rub these. Okay, I'll start taking this off and hopefully my picture is on there. Okay, there we go. Isn't that adorable? Get that? I think that's so cute. Now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to coat this with Mod Podge, and this is what I've been doing in order to be able to use these. I've been coating them with about 4 coats, letting it dry really good in between. And then once I finish that last coat and it dries, so there's our Mod Podged one. I'm going to just leave it there, and I'm going to move this back up here now. Okay, so after I go ahead and I seal it with Mod Podge a good 4 times, then I spray it with this engine enamel. And this one resists heat up to 500 degrees. Now when I do coasters and trivets, I use one that resists a higher heat than 500, but on these little car coasters, I think if you were to put a cup of coffee on them, I've been using mine and it's not sticking. So now they also take, you have to wait that about 28 days for them to cure. So if you plan on making any of these for gifts or anything like that, or even for yourself, just make sure that you let it cure, and then it's not gonna stick. It won't be sticky either. So one thing about decoupage and these types of things is that they do take a while. So especially if you're going to give them at gifts, if you're going to sell them at a craft fair or a farmer's market or something like that, you just want to make sure that you make them way ahead of time. I like to, at the beginning of the month, I start a whole bunch of them, and then I know, okay, I've done these early in the month, they'll be ready at the end of the month. That's how I do mine. I just use a calendar month to judge where I'm at in my process. But anyway, this has to sit now, this one that we did today, but I thought I think this turned out very, very cute. I'm really happy with that. And I did a few of them also with napkins, so I just wanted to show you that. These two, I just did a coat of Mod Podge over them, so they're still a little bit wet, but this is a napkin. And you want to do your same technique with this. You put your Mod Podge down, you lay your napkin on top, you smooth it gently with your finger, and trim your edges, and then just keep sealing it. So I have a few that I used napkins on. There's cherries. I thought that was cute too. And I did 3 with napkins. And this one, Keep Life Simple. That turned out good also. And then I started using stickers. That's another thing that you can do in the paper crafting aisle, like at Joann's or Michael's. All those stickers that they sell. Oh my gosh, I buy those too all the time, and I don't even do any kind of paper crafting. I like to have the stickers. So that's all that is. That's a sticker on there. Keep on smiling. And again, I sealed it with Mod Podge. These are still a little bit wet, but I wanted to share a few of these with you. You Are My Sunshine. I thought that one was really cute. And I'll continue the process, 4 coats, drying well in between. And then I'm going to seal these with that engine enamel. And this, you could get this at auto parts stores. That's where you'll find it. I actually found this one we have Fleet Farm out here in Wisconsin, and that's where I was shocked. I was looking at paint, and I came across this and thought, oh yeah, I always need that. So I picked up an extra can just for my coasters, Wild and Free, and I have several other ones. But that will give you a couple different ideas that you can do on car coasters. You can use napkins, you can use the rub-on transfers, and you can use stickers. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, I'm gonna say one more thing. On the back of mine, the one I made for myself, I did put cork on the back of it. Now, I don't know if I would do this on all of them. I just wanted to see how it would turn out. I'm not real sure if we would need it or not, but it's just something extra. I just thought I'd mention cork that would absorb the water if anything were to spill in your little cup holder in your car. Well, I thought about felt, but I don't know how well felt would dry up. So probably stick with cork. So I'll just mention that also. But anyway, again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If this is your first time joining me, I welcome you and I thank you so very much. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. If it's the end of your evening, I hope that you're relaxing. And as always, stay safe and stay healthy. Until next time, bye-bye for now.